Hey guys, today's tutorial cosplay look is inspired by the X-Men superhero Dark Phoenix. The first thing I'm going to do is color my hair using this temporary hair color and dyeing it red. I'm going to use a mix of these four colors, the bronze, ruby, rose gold, and copper to create this realistic warm hair color. This was super easy to use and apply. You just squeeze the tube and directly place it on the hair you want the color. You can do this all over. You could do streaks, you could do an ombre effect, however you want to do it. I used a glove to also help better spread the color, especially at the root. And then to set the color, you just use a hair dryer, and it will last until you use shampoo to wash it out. If you already have red hair, perfect, or you can also opt for a wig. Moving on to the makeup, I'm going to apply my foundation all over, then conceal any problem areas and under eye, as well as any areas I want to lighten and brighten or highlight. Then set with a translucent powder. Next, I'm going to add my blush and my contour to help sculpt and warm up the face. Moving on to the eyes, I'm going to use a very warm eyeshadow palette. I'm going to use this red toned shadow to fill in my brows to help better match my hair color. Then applying a eyeshadow primer, I'm going to take a red toned shadow and smudge this on the bottom lash line. Then using a shimmery copper shadow on the lid and a deep matte orange shadow in the crease. You can use anything similar that you already own, but I'll also list every product used down in the description box if you want to know exact products and colors used in this video. Then taking a light champagne shimmer shadow, I'm placing this in the inner corner and brow bone to help lighten those areas. I'm using an orange eyeliner to help intensify the color on the waterline. Then add your lashes and mascara, and a matte red lip. I'm just going to use a subtle highlight on the cheekbone and down the bridge of my nose, as most of the face will be covered in the detail we're going to do next. I also always love using special effects or Halloween contacts to really pull the look together. If you want to shop those, I'll have the link for them and the discount code in the description box as well. You can leave the look as is if you just want regular makeup for this cosplay look, but if you want to take it a step further, this is what we're going to do next. Moving on to the face detail, I'm first going to take a white face paint and start creating these like lightning bolt jagged style lines. Then over top, I'm going to use a shimmery gold, and I'm going to continue this detail throughout the side of my face, my forehead, neck, and chest. Basically just looking at images I found online after watching the movie to help mimic the look and placement of the Dark Phoenix. Then to add depth, I used black. I also used a bit of matte orange shadow over top the black to help warm up those areas. And to create more highlight, I used a glitter silver eyeliner. After I have my color placement where I want it, to get that actual depth to look sort of like it's cracking through my skin, I'm going to use my rigid collodion. This is going to help pull together that color over top my skin. And you can see when it starts to dry, it pulls the skin, kind of forcing it down deeper, creating that actual depth and texture to help get that fire cracked effect into my skin. After you finish applying as much of the detail as you would like, the look is complete. There's many different ways this look can be achieved, but I really enjoyed pulling together this Dark Phoenix look. I hope you guys also enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Comment below any other Marvel or DC characters you would like me to recreate next. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I will see you in the next video.